Wala po tayong prospective bidder for that project po.
Okay po. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I am Vincent from EDMS presenting the pre-bid conference of Improvement Rehabilitation of Aerodrome and Air Navigation Safety Oversight Office, ANSO, at Central Office, Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines with bid number 2509-1305 Alpha. With a source of fund of APP calendar year 2025 CAAP Corporate Fund with an approved budget of contract of 16,360,821 and 61 centavos for a duration of 90 calendar days inclusive of 7 rainy and workable days with an applicable bidding fee of 25,000 pesos exclusive of any or taxes imposed by relevant government agencies. Bid must be duly received by the box secretariat through manual submission at the office address as indicated below on or before 18th of November 2025. Late bid shall not be accepted. Bid opening shall be on 18th November 2025 at a given address below and Jitsi Zoom Google Meet. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidder's representative who choose to be attended online. Next is B data sheet 5.2. For this purpose, contract similar to the project refers to the contract which have the same major categories of work, which shall be building construction, improvement, rehabilitation, and repair. Next is presented to your screen is the checklist of technical and financial documents. Next is ITB 10.3 valid pickup license or a valid special pickup license in case of joint venture and registration for the type and cost of contract for this project is small B license category C and D, building and industrial plant. Next, ITB 10.4 presented to your screen is the minimum required key personnel. Next is ITB 10.5. This is the minimum major equipment requirement are the following. Next, ITB 20. The bidder with the lowest calculated bid that complies with and is responsive to all requirement and condition shall submit its updated valid PhilJEPS certificate of registration, latest income and business tax return filed through the electronic filing and payment system, the key personal licenses, and the updated status of all ongoing contract included contract awarded but not yet started, issued by the government agency or private concern. Failure to submit any of the post-qualification requirement on time or a finding against the veracity of thereof shall disqualify the bidder for award, provided that in the event that the finding against the veracity of any of the documents submitted is made, it shall cause the forfeiture of the bid securing in accordance with the Section 69 of the IIR of RA 9184. Next is IDB 21. The following relevant project document are required to be submitted by the successful bidder who submitted the LCRB as part of the contract agreement during its signing. The construction schedule, the bar chart and S-curve, per CPM network diagram, manpower schedule, construction method, and equipment utilization schedule, and construction safety and health program approved by the Department of Labor for the improvement rehabilitation of aerodrome and air navigation safety oversight office. Next is presented to your screen is the special condition of contract. Next presented to your screen is the lobby perspective, the vicinity map, and the plan on site. Next is the interior perspective. Next is the scope of work. For under the general requirement is the mobilization and demobilization, occupational safety and health program, and the project billboard and signboard. Next is under the civil structural work, the site works, the demolition work, hauling of debris, safety board of partition, and under the masonry work, the interior wall, the countertop, the architectural works is this is concrete work, and under the asphalt overlay of runway. Next is the item includes the supply of material, labor, and equipment necessary for the installation of floor tiles. Next is the carpentry works, which is presented to your screen. Next is painting works, doors, windows and glass walls. And under the electrical works, the lighting and power conduits and fittings, the lighting and power conductors, lighting fixture and electrical wiring devices, power conduits and fittings, power conductors, panel board, circuit breaker and dry type transformer, feeder conduit and fittings, and feeder conductors, telephone and data conduit and fittings, telephone and data cable, telephone and data devices, and under mechanical works, the dismantling of existing air conditioning unit. Next is under the air conditioning unit piping and support, the 4 HP inverter ceiling cassette type of air conditioning unit, 3 HP inverter wall mounted type air conditioning unit, multi-split inverter wall-mounted type air conditioning unit, relocation and existing wall-mounted type air conditioning unit, and under the ventilation work, the ceiling-mounted exhaust fan, the industrial wall fan. Next is portable fire extinguisher, and under the plumbing work is the site work, water line system, sewer line system, and plumbing fixtures and accessories. Next is the furniture is presented to your screen. Next is the general provision. All scope of work for the project must be in accordance with the approved plans and specification. Quality and types of materials must be approved by the CAAP project in charge. Provision for staff house, service vehicle, laptops, printers, cameras, plotters, furniture, and other materials, devices, and equipment under the special item or temporary facility shall not include in the OCM and the contract price. Next, the contractor shall be responsible for providing safety perimeter fences or security fences, personal protective equipment for the staff and workers on site while construction is ongoing. Safety report should be prepared regularly. The contractor shall be responsible for all laboratory, material testing, environmental compliances, safety permits, survey instrument, and building permit, including other permits necessary in the project implementation. All expenses shall be incorporated in the contractor's overhead costs and shall not be considered as pay item. End of presentation. Thank you po, Mr. Chair.
Do you have any videos coming in online? Wala pa rin.
Meron po. For the prospective bidders po, the floor is now open for your questions. Again po, for the prospective bidders po for this project, the floor is now open po for your questions.
So someone's raising their hand. EM Abin Trading.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon po.
Please go ahead with your question.
Sir, may I ask lang po, para sa successful bidder po, kung kukuha pa rin po ba ng work permit?
DWD, can you answer?
Ma'am, what do you mean work permit po?
Tulad po kasi dito, sir, sa nasalihan namin mga ka-up na project, pinapakuha po kami, sir, ng work permit, sir, para maka-enter po kami doon sa area po ng project po.
Yes, ma'am, yung kay security po natin.
Opo,
Yes, ma'am.
sir.
I-discuss po yon during pre-construction meeting. Kasama po sa pre-construction meeting si CSIS, yung security service ng CAAP. Tapos lahat po ng mga kailangan nyong ibigay, dun po i-discuss during pre-construction meeting.
Okay, sir. Sir, i-discuss din po ba, sir, kung allowed po ba, sir, ang barak sa loob ng premises area po?
Ma'am, ang default po namin pagdating sa barracks is hindi talaga namin inaalaw. Ang inaalaw lang po namin is yung warehouse and yung magbabantay lang doon. Pero barracks hindi po talaga.
Okay, noted po, sir. Last po, sir, yung para sa mga delivered items, sir, like furniture po, kung isusupply na po ba namin siya, sir, makakasama na po ba siya sa billing, sir, kahit hindi pa siya na-install?
Yes, ma'am. Kasi
Okay.
ano lang naman, lalo na kung nakalagay sa furniture is delivered lang.
Okay, noted, sir. Thank you po.
Any other questions po?
All right, any other questions? If there are no further questions that are going to be raised here, you have until 10 days before the calendar bid opening date to submit yours in writing. So for the last time, do you have any further questions for this project? Alright, hearing none, let's close this period conference. Maraming salamat po for attending and being interested, and we look forward to your submissions. Alright, let's go to the next item, please.